Most of your favorite dishes wouldn't taste the same without your favorite condiments. And every culture prefers something different. In China, people consume 5,876,000 tons of soy sauce every year. In the US, diners gobbled up 679,600 tons of ketchup in 2013 alone. But what about other regions? Can you guess Australia's favorite spread? Could condiments be good for your health? Stay tuned for the most popular condiments from around the world. Harissa.
Uh-oh, it smells like it might be spicy.
This is North Africa's go-to hot sauce, and it contains dried chili peppers, cumin, and coriander.
Flavor party's about to go down.
Its flavor ranges from mildly spicy to insanely hot. People eat harissa on fries, wings, and a lot of things. Or you can eat it on its own. But why would you do that? Most of the world's supply of this spicy condiment comes from Tunisia, where diners use it to spice up goat and lamb dishes. Its delicious taste isn't the only thing to like about this condiment.
Am I crazy?
It contains iron, calcium, and vitamin A, which help your vision and digestion.
Do not go in there. Woo!
Gochujang. This is a thick paste made of chili peppers, gummy rice, and soybeans. It enhances savory dishes with its sour and spicy taste.
This is so good.
Gochujang is considered a superfood due to its multiple health benefits. It helps increase your metabolism and decrease stress levels.
Welcome to your relaxation time.
It could strengthen your heart. The most unusual thing about this South Korean condiment is that you can only make it during certain times of the year. Gochujang needs to ferment for almost 6 months. Tahini. This is a condiment with a long history. Tahini was created around the Tigris-Euphrates river system roughly 3,500 years ago. It's an incredibly popular paste in the Middle East.
It's like the ketchup of the Middle East.
And an essential ingredient in hummus. It contains toasted ground sesame seeds, and its flavor is light, appealing, and nutty.
So good.
Tahini was sold mainly in Africa and the Middle East. But in the past few years, its popularity has been growing in North America. And that isn't a surprise given all its health benefits. The ancient paste is rich in antioxidants, which can help prevent cancer, and it can improve your central nervous system. Brown sauce. It's been around since 1899, and the most popular brand is HP sauce. I can't give you the exact ingredients for this condiment because it's a closely guarded company secret.
Yeah, we happy.
But some chefs are pretty sure that it has a tomato base, with malt, vinegar, dates, and rye flour, but you didn't hear it from me. The British love this savory, syrupy sauce. The acronym stands for House of Parliament. And seriously, the only thing more British than its parliament might be HP sauce.
It really is. It actually is.
Brits like this brown sauce served atop beef stew, potatoes, or bacon. They love it so much that the UK goes through 27.5 million bottles annually. Vegemite. The land of kangaroos and koalas is also the land of this iconic spread.
Vegemite, yeast extract.
Vegemite is in almost every kitchen in Australia, and the company sells 22 million jars every year. Vegemite became an Australian food staple in the 1950s. The formula for Vegemite is a secret, but people have figured out that it contains salt, celery, and onion extracts. They're the source of its salty, bitter flavor. Australians spread Vegemite on toast with butter and add it to spaghetti, stews, and soups.
Cheers, mates.
Cheers.
Now you know about condiments from other parts of the world.
Yes?
But do you know one of the most popular condiments used fish guts? That's right. Ketchup has some nasty origins. Find out more on the next episode of Origins of Food.